Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I am playing with some new paints I recently picked up from a local art store. These are PWC watercolors. I have heard about them a lot but never tried them before. So this is my first time using them and I thought I would share the process with you. So, to test them out, I wanted to create a loose, moody landscape with vibrant pinks, corals, yellows, and greens, and give it a warm and inviting feel. Sometimes I believe the best way to explore new paints and mediums and even styles is to let go and paint freely. I started with a wet on wet technique, laying down warm tones of pink and yellow for the sky. And as I went on, I kept on adding some pinks and yellows in random areas to get different variations and nice gradients in the sky. And also lifted the paint in some of the random spots in the sky to get the feel of clouds or maybe negative space just for more interest. Then moving to the ground with bright greens to suggest a lush grassland. I did not use any reference, so wasn't sure how exactly it would turn out. But honestly, these unplanned pieces make me the happiest. They allow me to let go of perfection and simply enjoy the process. I also tried lifting some of the paint in the sky again by using a little piece of tissue paper just to get that negative space. I'm not sure how it would turn out, but let's see. To make the grassland more vibrant, I added some yellow in the green to get some lemony green shade, which makes it more vibrant. And I really love using different shades of green in such kind of pieces. To finish, I added a touch of detail, few small birds flying across the sky. I used a detail brush and dark gray pigment. It was a very fun and relaxing session for me, and I hope you enjoyed watching it too. And if you feel inspired to create your own landscape after watching this, I would love to see it. Share it on Instagram and you can tag me at the rate Markdisha so I can also see that. I always look forward to connecting with fellow creatives who share a love for art. Thank you so much for watching. If you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Your support really helps me keep creating and sharing more art with you. See you next time.